Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Large garden planters are more than just oversized pots. They are architectural elements used to define, enhance, and structure outdoor environments. The concept focuses on using significant, high-volume containers as focal points to hold a variety of plants, ranging from ornamental trees and shrubs to lush floral arrangements. Unlike small pots that can look cluttered, large planters provide a sense of permanence and scale, acting as a bridge between the soft textures of nature and the hard lines of your home's architecture. They allow gardeners to create micro-gardens in areas where traditional ground planting is impossible, such as on decks, patios, or concrete entryways. The benefits of incorporating large planters into your landscape are numerous, starting with their ability to provide a superior growing environment for plants. Because they hold a greater volume of soil, they offer better moisture retention and insulation for root systems compared to smaller containers, leading to healthier, more resilient plants. They are also incredibly versatile tools for space management. You can use them to create natural privacy screens, block unsightly views, or direct the flow of traffic on a large terrace. Additionally, large planters elevate your garden design by adding vertical interest and a touch of luxury. They allow you to grow species that might not thrive in your local soil by giving you total control over the potting medium and drainage, all while reducing the physical strain of gardening by bringing the plants closer to waist height. Decorating with large planters requires a thoughtful approach to scale and composition to ensure they look intentional and professional. A classic professional technique is the thriller, filler, spiller method. Start with a tall, eye-catching thriller plant in the center or back for height, surround it with textured fillers to add bulk and color, and finish with spillers that cascade over the edges to soften the hard lines of the container. You should also consider the placement and grouping of the planters themselves. Instead of scattering them randomly, try grouping them in odd numbers or lining them up symmetrically to create a formal, sophisticated look. To add even more visual interest, play with contrasting textures. Pair a smooth, minimalist planter with feathery ferns, or use a rugged, weathered planter to house sleek architectural succulents. Adding top dressings like decorative pebbles, moss, or wood chips can also provide a clean, finished appearance that hides the bare soil. Choosing the right material is crucial for both the aesthetics and the longevity of your large planters. For a sleek, contemporary look, metal planters made from powder-coated aluminum or corten steel are excellent choices due to their durability and weather resistance. Concrete and stone offer a timeless, heavy-duty feel that is perfect for traditional or industrial styles, though they are very heavy and best suited for permanent locations. If you prefer a warmer, more organic vibe, high-quality woods like cedar or teak are naturally rot-resistant and blend seamlessly into natural landscapes. For those who need a lightweight and budget-friendly option, high-grade plastics and fiberglass can mimic the look of stone or metal while being easy to move around. Each material reacts differently to the elements. For instance, terracotta provides excellent breathability for roots, but can be prone to cracking in freezing temperatures, so always match your material choice to your specific climate and maintenance preferences. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best large garden planters ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One vibrant cottage-style window box. This design features a long horizontal wooden planter with a textured gray finish that perfectly complements a soft peach-colored exterior wall. The arrangement is a masterclass in color coordination, blending bright red dahlias and yellow daisies with lush green sweet potato vines that spill beautifully over the front. It is an ideal way to add a burst of life to a plain building facade or a long walkway. 2. Modern anthracite trough border. For a clean and sophisticated look, These sleek, dark gray powder-coated metal troughs are used to create a crisp border between a driveway and a lawn. The height of the planters provides a structural barrier, while housing a tidy mix of ornamental grasses and deep purple foliage. This setup is perfect for homeowners who want a low-maintenance, contemporary landscaping solution that defines space with sharp lines. 3. Minimalist Square Pillar Planter. This idea utilizes a deep bronze-colored square planter that wraps around the base of a structural pillar. Filled with delicate green ferns and small white flowering accents, it transforms a functional architectural element into a lush piece of decor. The use of small uplights within the planter ensures that this beautiful greenery remains a focal point even after the sun goes down. 4. Oversized Circular Black Bowl. A dramatic, low-profile black bowl acts as a stunning centerpiece in a brick-paved courtyard. The planter is packed with a dense mound of vibrant purple and pink petunias, anchored by a neatly trimmed evergreen cone in the center. The wide, shallow shape of this planter allows for a massive floral display that feels grounded and luxurious, making it perfect for entryways or circular driveways. 5. Rustic Tiered Timber Vegetable Beds. Function meets style in these large, warm-toned wooden raised beds positioned against a classic garden fence. These deep planters are perfect for growing edible crops like tomatoes and strawberries, keeping the garden organized and easy to access. The natural wood grain adds a rustic farmhouse charm to the backyard, while providing the depth necessary for healthy root growth for various vegetables. 6. Elegant Sage Green Paneled Boxes. These traditional wooden planters feature decorative paneling and a soft sage green finish that radiates classic garden elegance. Arranged on a wooden deck, they are paired with a white lattice fence to create a private, cozy nook. The planters house a sophisticated mix of lavender and topiary trees, proving that large containers can be used to create an outdoor room feel on any patio or deck. 7. Industrial Chic Tall Black Cubes. 3 identical, tall black square planters are lined up to create a bold, rhythmic statement along a modern stone patio. The dark, matte finish of the containers provides a stark contrast to the bright green, spiky agave-style plants inside. This repetitive arrangement is a favorite for modern architecture, offering a clean, high-impact look that requires very little upkeep. 8. Classic Charcoal Wood Trough with Finials. This long, charcoal-painted wooden planter features decorative ball finials on each corner, giving it a high-end, custom-built appearance. It is filled with a rich variety of textures, including purple coleus and trailing flowering vines, making it a perfect accent for a long driveway or the edge of a porch. The dark color makes the green and purple foliage pop and adds a touch of formal sophistication to the landscape. 9. Contemporary White Low-Profile Spheres. On a rooftop or modern terrace, these large, smooth white rounded planters create a serene and airy atmosphere. Their varying sizes are grouped together to hold a collection of hardy succulents and trailing burrow's tail. The clean white surface reflects light and keeps the roots cool, while the sculptural shapes of the pots themselves serve as pieces of modern art. 10. Integrated Concrete Sunken Succulent Bed. This design shows a large rectangular concrete planter that is built directly into a multi-level patio. It is filled with a stunning carpet of large rose-shaped succulents in shades of pale green and pink. This integrated look is perfect for minimalist or mid-century modern homes, where the planter becomes a permanent, seamless part of the home's outdoor structure. Using large garden planters is one of the most effective ways to bring professional-grade design to your own backyard. Whether you are looking to grow your own food in rustic wooden beds, or want to make a bold statement with industrial metal troughs, the right planter can completely redefine your outdoor experience. Remember that the key to success lies in choosing materials that suit your climate and selecting plants that offer a variety of heights and textures. With a little creativity and the right containers, you can turn even the smallest patio into a lush, designer sanctuary. If you enjoyed these large garden planter ideas, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. We would love to hear from you. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below if you prefer the sleek modern look or the classic rustic vibe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly design tips and tricks. Happy gardening!